Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own eye makeup remover. It's super easy. Here I have some hot water, so I'm just going to put hot water. Hot because if I add the coconut oil, so it wouldn't, the coconut oil wouldn't like harden up immediately. So I'll put just 1 tablespoon, and also let's do 2 of them. Okay, so it's 2 tablespoons, right? Actually, you know what? I'm looking at it, I'm even gonna add a little bit more. There you go. It was about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, right? And now I'm gonna just add a little bit of E vitamin. Of course, I have to remove the thing, okay? So here's a little bit of E vitamin, just a little bit, there you go. And I'm gonna just mix it up here a little bit, there you go. And now it's totally optional, you can do this or not, but this alone here would work as a great eye makeup remover already. There you go. But I will add always a few drops of frankincense. There you go. 2 drops of lavender. I will also add a drop of rose simply just because I love rose. There you go. Oops, that flew away. And also I will add a Roman chamomile. So you can play with that. People sometimes like to add melaleuca, tea tree, rosemary is really good for the eyelashes. So it's very much up to your preference. I'm gonna give it another good swish. So make sure that the coconut oil is nice and kind of distributed evenly in this water here, right? You can also add a tear-free or good quality, a little drop of shampoo in here if you want it. And that's all. Now I have my pads. I'm gonna stick it in here. Okay, let's do this one at a time. There you go. Whoa, that's really cool. And there is something very satisfactory, very cool about making this. Yeah, and look, I'm just gonna soak them in there. Here we go. That's it, they're all soaked in there. And now I can just simply take it one at a time. That's actually right here ready. This is the pad. And you know, I'm a dancer, so I use a lot of makeup and a lot of eyelash glue and things like that, and you know, lipstick and stuff. And this is really awesome. It takes off even eyelash glue and everything really well. Watch this. Wow. It's little trippy right now because it's really wet. There you go. Just check this out, how well it takes everything off. That's it, you guys. Good quality, really healthy for you, doesn't burn the eyes. Really awesome. Thank you.